You thought the new BMW M5 was already a beast? Think again. Because Mansory just looked at it and said, "Let's take this German executive monster and crank it up to 11, then rip the knob clean off." From the factory, the G90 BMW M5 is a masterpiece of understatement. Sleek, powerful, but still civilized. A plug-in hybrid V8 with 717 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque. That's enough to scare most sports cars straight off the Autobahn. But you see, subtlety has no place in Mansory's world. Nope. This isn't just an M5 anymore. It's a carbon fiber-covered apocalypse on 4 wheels. Welcome to the Mansory P850. And baby, this thing ain't here to whisper. We're talking 850 metric horses, 838 horsepower in American muscle, and a face-melting 848 pound-feet of torque. That's a slap in the face to the laws of physics. 0 to 60? Probably close to 3 seconds flat. This sedan just broke out of jail and took the warden with it. And the looks? Oh, the looks. Mansory threw subtlety out the window and ran it over with 22-inch forged wheels. We've got forged carbon everywhere. Hood, diffuser, mirrors, spoilers, C-pillars. Heck, there's probably carbon fiber in the air vents. And those glowing orange accents? It's like Halloween married a spaceship and had a baby shaped like a BMW. Orange brake calipers? Check. Triple exhaust? Check. Illuminated Mansory logos that you need a map to find? Oh, they're there. Somewhere. Probably watching you. Inside? They didn't show much, but if you know Mansory, you know. Expect starlight headliners, custom leather that probably costs more than your rent, and enough ambient light to host a rave. This isn't a car, it's a statement, a flex, a middle finger to boring sedans and a love letter to excess. So if you've got $120,000 burning a hole in your wallet, and more cash for Mansory's chaos, this M5 might just be your ticket to ridiculous glory. Mansory M5 P850. It's not just tuned, it's weaponized.